Let's learn how to create a task and how to connect several tasks into a workflow. Task cards are the third level of a project in SciNote. To briefly sum up the structure in SciNote, projects are the first level and can be understood as main folders. Experiments are the second level and can be understood as subfolders, and tasks are the third level. They are in a way like files on your computer. They carry all the content. In this video tutorial, we will explore the edit mode of task cards and workflows. Let's go ahead and click Edit Experiment. To create a new task, click New Task and drag and drop it onto the canvas. We've just created a new task. Let's name it. Confirm by clicking Add. I'll show you how to create a workflow. So let's create 2 more tasks. Now we can connect these simply by clicking on one task and then dragging our mouse to the other one. To remove an arrow, click on this cross sign. You can move the tasks around in any way you want to, and connect them in any way you want to. Now let's see what are the different options on a task card within the Edit Experiment mode. To see different options, click on this inverted triangle. Here we can rename a task, copy this task or the entire workflow, or move this task or an entire workflow to another experiment card in this project. Lastly, you can choose to archive this card or the entire workflow. If you choose to archive a task or a workflow, please note that all the arrow connections you've created will be lost. All other data will be safely archived. Click Save to exit the Edit Experiment mode. To find the tasks we just archived, we can navigate to the Archived Tasks section, from which we can restore any of the archived cards at any time. For more information about SciNote, please check out the description below.